beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today we're gonna be doing a first impressions. Quite honestly, I bought some stuff from Elf that you guys would have seen in my Elf Cosmetics and Ulta haul. So I am unsure what I'm gonna be using, but if you're interested in checking out what I am going to create on these first impressions and how I feel about them, then go ahead and grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, because you know we're still trying to get healthy up in this joint, and keep on watching. Okay, brows are on, lids are primed, and we are going to jump into this eye look. So I have 3 little eyeshadow palettes and 2 liquid glitters to use. I have these 2 from Elf, and I have this one from Wet n Wild. I think I'm going to use the Wet n Wild one today. I was going to use the Elf one because it matches my blouse, but I haven't used Wet n Wild shadows in a very long time, so I wanted to go ahead and try this out. Plus, Valentine's Day is around the corner, so we're going to make this like a first impressions Valentine's Day kind of look. So, here we go. Let me jump in. I'm going to open this up, and let's do this. My eyes are primed already. I just used concealer. I used my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. This is in the color 240. So my camera wasn't recording, so I have some already on my lid. I'm taking this like rosy kind of color and I'm putting that all in my crease, and I'm just taking that out. I did take it out a little bit like out on a wing because I like the way that that is shaped on my eye. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm just going back and forth on both eyes, and I'm really building the color up in my crease. I really didn't know what I wanted to do with my eye look. I knew that I just wanted to play and just see how these shadows perform and see what I can get done. So I decided to go in with that LA Girl Kajal Auto Liner in Super Black, and I wanted to do like a smoked out wing. This is the first time that I'm really doing this. I've tried it multiple times, but not with a Kajal pencil, just regular like liners. This is a lot creamier, so I figured this might smoke out better. So I was looking for a small like pencil brush or a small definer brush to see if that could help me out, and I just decided to just use a medium pencil brush that I have from BH Cosmetics that came with the Drop Dead Gorgeous palette, and it does blend well. I just for some reason was not feeling the color, so I was like, you know what, let me just keep going. So I decided to go with that pinky shimmer, and this performed way better than what I thought it was. I really enjoyed this color a lot. Like, I am obsessed with this color right now. But this is how it is without wetting my brush. So I can only imagine when I wet my brush how much more sparkle it's gonna have. I really like this color a lot. And then I decided to go in with the darker shimmer in that palette, and this is where I think I went wrong. I decided to put that like kind of over to mesh everything together, and I thought that it was gonna help out the wing because I just wasn't feeling the way that liner was looking. And this is me just looking like, oh god, I messed up my eye, what am I gonna do? So I just decided to go with it. I kept pressing the deeper color, and it just kept getting worse and worse, and I'm like, god, I don't know what I'm doing. So I was like, you know what, we're gonna just turn this into a graphic eye like liner type situation. So this is what you see me doing. I'm just patting that color in, trying to make it really blend with the other one. Then I took that first light color, and I am on that fluffy brush just blending everything out. I am just blending, hoping and praying that this is gonna come out nice. I cleaned up my fallout and I cleaned up those wings. Decided to take a liner brush from Suva Beauty that I have, and I'm using that glitter shadow from Elf. This is the Little Dipper, I believe, and I'm just using that and creating like that graphic liner effect. This is a beautiful color and I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to try it out all over the lid. But yeah, this really helped out my eye look. And then I felt like it needed some other like a pop. I should have went with white, but I actually went with black. I'm using the Tarte double-sided eyeliner and liquid liner pen. Excuse me. And you see me creating a wing here, and then I decided to do the graphic liner all the way. And this took so much time because honestly, I am not that good at graphic liners, and the line didn't come out as straight as I wanted it to be, and I was literally holding my breath through this entire process. But we got it done, and actually the final look looks so pretty. I think I did a really good job. I did have to thicken the wing part of it, but like I said, it looks good. Now let's finish off these eyes. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to try on this new Sky High mascara from Maybelline. I love these kind of brushes, so I'm excited about that. We're gonna curl my lashes because that's what we're gonna do. Here we go. Okay, I like that. Looks very pretty. Let's let that dry. I'm gonna do a second coat. Now I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup so that we can go ahead and try the other products that I have. All right, so my face is on. We are going to finish up the eyes. So I am going to take on this flat definer brush and take this color and then this color really close to my waterline. I'm getting as close as possible to this, to my waterline. That's pretty. I'm gonna go in with that LA Girl Kajal pencil, and I'm going, this is the same thing I used to smoke out the liner on top. It glides so nice and it's super black. Very pretty. Now for brow bone highlight, I'm going to use the lightest color in here, which is this color right here. I'm going to take that on this little pencil brush and I'm going to use that in my inner corners right here, just to bring a little brightness right there. Okay, I have two lip products to try, which are these. I'm not going to go with this neutral, which I know you thought I was, but I'm not. And then this one is a wine color, like a reddish wine color. And then this is like more of a berry color. I think I'm going to go with the berry color because it kind of goes with the eyes. So let's go ahead and try that out. I have this pretty little lip liner to go with it. This is a ColourPop lip liner. I think it'll go perfect. This is Hard On. I'm going to line our lips. Okay, and let's go ahead and go in with this lip. I'm so excited to try this out. So we're gonna go in with the liquid lip side. It has like that little pointy liner, or excuse me, pointy dofa. It's extremely comfortable on the lips. I'm just going to clean up this side a little bit. Let's let that dry. I'll be right back. You can see my baby in the background there. Alright, so this is the lip dried down. It's actually very comfortable. It doesn't feel so like drying where I can't breathe and my lips feel like they're like the desert, they feel pretty comfortable. So we are going to go ahead and put this glossy side on. This is so cool. Like, I like this applicator too. It's very comfortable. And there you go. You got glossy lips. I love it. I dig it. And then for this is the ultimate test. So this is non-transferable. Right? Right. Look at that. Oh my god, it's insane. I am obsessed right now. I want every single color. So this is it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do these first impressions. Run down very quickly on all of these. This was definitely a really, really good buy. I enjoy this. I would love to try more of them. I like them a lot. This I really, really, really liked. This eyeliner is super nice to blend out. It's very black. I enjoy it a lot. And you guys know that I love these little elf glitter shadows, and I used it today as like a little eyeliner for this graphic liner thing that is going on. I wanted to try something different on my eyes. You know, it is what it is. I love this sky high liner. I did put lashes on because I wanted the look to be a little bit more dramatic, but I really like the way that this looks on its own. I'm gonna do a couple makeup looks probably with the elf mint stuff, and I'm gonna be using just mascara, so stay tuned for that. This is amazing. So yeah, I think everything was a hit. I love it. I'm excited. I can't wait to continue to play. This is my first makeup look for, I'd say, Valentine's Day. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and the support. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell down below so you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is 3 days a week. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, you know, if life permits. I am going to keep playing with all these new products, and you'll see a bunch of makeup looks coming. Thanks again, and I will see all you beauties in my next video. Bye.